In the bustling metropolitan area of Guadalajara, Mexico, nestled within a private cloister, lies a hidden gem, Casa ZTG. Designed by 1540 architectura for an elderly couple, this introverted home prioritizes timeless elegance and a connection with nature. The architects embraced the lackluster surroundings by creating an inward-looking sanctuary. The imposing exterior, clad in Roman travertine marble, hints at the luxurious haven within. A single, understated entrance beckons you towards a hidden paradise. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a symphony of light and nature. Lofty corridors lined with warm oak flow around a tranquil garden, the heart of the home. This introverted design fosters a sense of peace and tranquility, a perfect haven for relaxation. Function seamlessly blends with form. The main floor boasts a well-equipped kitchen, a spacious living room perfect for entertaining, and a formal dining area for special occasions. A dedicated office provides a quiet workspace, while the master suite offers a luxurious retreat. Large retractable glass walls blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless connection with the inviting terrace, refreshing pool, and bubbling hot tub. The residence is a testament to the beauty of natural materials. European oak floors provide warmth underfoot, while wall paneling and ceilings echo the same rich tones. Lux Verde Apple marble creates a striking partition in the public area, separating the living room from the formal dining area. In the master suite, cool gray arabescado marble creates a serene backdrop for relaxation. Casa ZTG is more than just a house, it's a haven tailored to the couple's lifestyle. Imagine the wife enjoying a peaceful morning tea amidst the verdant garden. Envision the husband curled up with a good book by the crackling fireplace in the living room. Picture them sharing a romantic dinner in the elegant dining space, the warm glow highlighting the beauty of the marble partition. Casa ZTG is a testament to timeless design and thoughtful planning. It's a sanctuary where an elderly couple can find peace, comfort, and a deep connection with nature.